In today's video, we talk about how to create a gig on Fiverr. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. Login and access. Selling section. Log into your Fiverr account and go to the Selling tab. Go to My Business, greater than gigs. From the Selling section, select My Business, then Gigs. Click Create a new gig. This will open the gig creation page. Important information to fill in. Gig title. A concise and descriptive title that clearly states what service you are offering. Gig description. Detailed explanation of your service, including what you will deliver, your process, and any relevant experience you have. Gig category. Choose the category that best aligns with your service, e.g., graphic design, writing, video editing. Package. Options. Create different tiers of your service with varying features and price points: basic, standard, premium. Pricing. Set your price for each package. Gig images. Upload high-quality images that visually represent your work delivery time. Specify how long it will take to complete a project. FAQs. Add frequently asked questions and answers to address potential client concerns. I hope you will learn about the video. Thank you for watching.